Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Dunkin' Dunk again, and today we have another addition onto servers. So here we have our server, which we created in our previous video. You should be able to go see that. Anyway, so we're gonna go and install some plugins today. So we want to have admins and owners on our server. So we're gonna go and download Essentials and PermissionsEx. Links will be in the description, as I have them both installed here. I will not download them. So here they are. Here's what you get. And so you need WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, you need to get it. It's pretty simple, just search WinRAR. Anyway, so what you want to do first is you want to do all of them except for Essentials Anti-Build and put it in your plugins folder. Now, your plugins folder is in your server folder at the top. So here, and for the PermissionsEx, we need to put all of them in there. And then once we do that, we need to run our server so it can make changes. While we're waiting for that, okay, it's done. It's done. Okay, so let's go in plugins. As you can see, there's a bunch of new folders created. What we need is PermissionsEx, and you'll also need a program called Notepad++. If you don't have that, why don't you go ahead and download that. Link will probably not be in the description. And as you can see, they already started it out for us. And you will want to open up command reference for Essentials, which is all the commands and what you type in to give them the command to do it. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to have the group default, and default is true, and I want to give them a snazzy prefix. Colon, and then you put your prefix. I'm going to put it as noob, and then so they're going to be able to modify the world. And it's important that you go all the way back and do the spaces every time, and I want them to be able to do list. So let's find list. List. Okay, I guess you can find that. You can do whatever you want with it. I'm gonna let him go AFK. So I'm gonna put Essentials. Well, first I'm gonna go to modify world here, enter, backspace, 4 spaces forward, dash, space, essentials dot AFK. So that allows them to go AFK. And so that'll be our first group. So say you want to make another group. You go back and you go 2 spaces, and let's make admin. You type in admin colon, that creates a group, and go back 2 spaces, go forward 4, default. You don't want it to be default, because then everybody would be admin. So we're going to set that to false. Let's be their prefix is admin. And you know what? I'll make it caps. And if you want to do colors, you'll have to search the color code on the Minecraft forum, and you'll have to see how to make it colored, because I can't go into detail with that. So permissions, let's say I want them to have all of them. Now you go this dash, you go asterisk. Well, first you go half quotation, asterisk, half quotation, and that'll give them all the commands. Okay, so that's the two groups we want. So then what we want to do, we go back, no spaces, and type users. And then go enter, 2 spaces, put your name. Mine happens to be Dunkin' Dunk because Mr. Dunkin' Dunk is my YouTube. And then you go groups, group, colon, and remember to go back and forward on every single one of these, dash, admin. So I'm going to be an admin, and so I will show you that this worked on my server. I just need to save, bam, and now I go back to my server, and back to server. Let's run it, and let's get our Minecraft open. I got rid of my Obsidian hack client, but leave in the comments if you'd like to see how to install that, because I've had some questions for you guys, and I have 1 subscriber. All you viewers, can you please subscribe if you like it or it helps you? So let's launch up our game. Sorry, there you go. Now lower that. It should close here in a sec. Now let's just clear up our desktop space so you can see. Okay, so there's my desktop, and so here's Minecraft multiplayer. Here's our server. So if you want to create colored names, then you'll have to figure that out yourself. So I'll do /list. So there's myself, admin Dunkin' Dunk. So there you go, you know it worked. And if you type anything wrong, then it won't work, and it'll just turn your names red. So I've seen a lot of people comment on other videos about that. And so, yeah. I will get my brother on to show that he is default instead of the admin. Unpause. Okay, hey guys, we're back. My brother's on the call, and he is going to come onto the server with us. And as soon as he does, there you go. He's a noob because he's default class. Even though he might not be a noob, he might play longer than me, even though it hasn't. Oh, another guy joined. Hi. Stop. Stop. Why?
I better PvP you.
And anyway, guys, if this helped you, and can you leave a like, favorite, comment, anything you really want, and please hit that like and subscribe, and hope to see you guys later. Bye-bye.